Hi, I'm Ryan, a video editor and graphic designer from the Philippines. I specialize in turning a raw footage into stop scrolling content that keeps people watching and drive a real result. I comes with a background of teaching which gave me a strong foundation in storytelling, structured thinking, and communicating ideas in a way that actually lands. And I wrote it mindset into my editing skills. Every cuts, every transitions, every overlays is intentional. I work on short form contents for Instagram Reels, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, as well as long form videos, commercial edits, and thumbnail design. And my editing stacks include CapCut Pro, Canva, and others are AI tools to boost my workflow output quality. Because in this industry, speed without sacrificing quality is everything. And I'm a detail-oriented, fast turnaround, and I take ownership of my work. I'm available full-time and self-sufficient, and I evolve with the platform. And if you are looking for someone who treats every edit like a conversion asset, not just content, I love to be part of your team, and I can't wait to work together with you soon. Thank you and have a good day.